Hey everyone, so today this video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of showing you guys how to put nail polish on, I'm going to be showing you how to take it off. I normally don't use nail polish remover. That's why I would have put up this video sooner, but I normally chew it off, which is not very good, so I'm starting to use nail polish remover, which is fantastic. So you're going to need some Q-tips, nail polish remover, and toothpicks are optional, and this little platform thing, just a little box, like, yeah, it's optional as well, but it keeps your floor from getting dirty, which I'm not very good at, because if you witness over here, that's all nail polish. So, yeah, you're going to need Q-tips, nail polish remover, toothpicks, and a little platform. So, I'm just going to take a Q-tip, and I'm going to take my nail polish remover and put it on the Q-tip, and I'm just going to do it over the platform to make sure it doesn't spill on the floor. And this nail polish remover I'm using is from Joe, and it's non-acetone. Let me just, Joe, non-acetone, and it was $4. Now, when you're putting on nail polish remover, be careful, because if you have cuts on your fingers, you want to avoid putting on nail polish, because then when you remove it, it's going to sting like crazy. So I'm just going to go over, and I'm going to do my middle finger, just covered in pink. So it depends how long you have to do it on like the different brand, but you basically just do it until your fingernail is clean. Of course, like, because you can't like have a half job down there. And so that came off really well. And just gonna clean up over here as well. And if you have leftover residue like in your cuticle or whatever, you can go in with a toothpick and you can just scrape that out, and it doesn't hurt. See, in this finger, just gonna go clean it inside here, over here, and it's beautiful. So that is what I do for my removing of the nail polish. So, and it works on all nail polish, or else like that would not be a very popular nail polish brand. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to remove your nail polish. That's just how I do it. It's really easy, because like everyone has to know how to remove their nail polish. And there is also another way of removing it. There are these little nail polish remover towelettes, and you can find them at, I don't know, they're Bodyco brand, and they're just, they just basically clean your nails as well, but I think the nail polish remover is much better. So that's just my tips and tricks on how I remove my nail polish. Using a little platform for the ground, and using a toothpick to clean up the excess. Also, when you're putting on your nail polish, if you are very messy or have short nails and it's hard to put it on, you can just put tape around it, and it'll like come right off. You can just like take the tape off, and it'll come like right off, like when you're marbling. Or you can just put Vaseline, and then it'll rub right off as well, instead of having to remove it and then like accidentally removing it on your nail, and this whole thing gets started. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit longer than I expected, but I hope this is quicker. And I definitely recommend the nail polish remover from Joe. Oh my god, it's like so cheap. $4, and it comes in this much of a bottle. Here, I'll show you. This much of a bottle. And it's just really amazing. And it works amazing, as you just saw. So that's how I remove my nail polish. And I really hope you guys like it. Comment, favorite, like, subscribe. Bye!